Hey everyone. Today we're diving into the world of AI and how you can leverage it for your next big side hustle. First up, freelance writing. AI tools like Jasper and Grammarly can enhance your writing efficiency and quality, helping you complete more projects while maintaining high standards. Secondly, online tutoring. With platforms utilizing AI to personalize learning experiences, you can use AI tools to offer tailored tutoring sessions, providing more value to your students. Third, graphic design. AI tools like Canva utilize automation and templates to simplify design processes. You can boost your productivity and creativity, accepting more clients than ever before. Fourth, remote customer service. AI chatbots and virtual assistants can handle routine queries, allowing you to focus on solving complex issues, making work more manageable and rewarding. Finally, e-commerce. AI can help predict trends and automate tasks, ensuring your online shop is ahead of the curve, making operations smoother and more profitable. So there you have it, the top 5 AI-powered side hustles. With AI, not only can you boost your income, but you'll also save time and energy. Start exploring these opportunities today.